Alright boys, welcome back to another video. This thing is eating gas quicker than usual. Quicker than usual, bro, I will be honest, man. But let's see how much it costs to fill it up with 70 miles on. And gas is getting way cheaper, bro, way cheaper. 91 is freaking 4.5. Dude, this used to be almost at 6, which is crazy. Honestly, not bad, bro. This used to go all the way up to 105. Like, $30 each freaking fill up, dude. Come on, I'll take that any freaking day. This is my therapy, bro, so I kind of need this. Let's go. Put it in Sport Plus before I start it. Oh, dude. Sounds too good, man. Oh, my. Please don't do what I'm doing. Please don't buy 2 cars like I did. But one thing I will say is that when you have 2 different cars, it's such a good balance because you don't get sick of either car. That's like literally the best part about it. You don't get sick of either car. Still need to warm it up a little bit. 4th gears used to never ever pop like this. Damn, bro, the sun is beaming. You guys probably can't see crap right now, dude. It's so bright. Died here, like, I think it's been around 11 years, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think it's about 11 years now. And dude, he died on actually this freaking street, which is kind of unreal. Well, I think what he was doing was sending it on this churn over here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, there was a guy in the Porsche that took me on a ride here. That was 1,000 horsepower. And when he was taking this churn, pretty much all I could think about Paul Walker, because literally, bro, this is like, I guess he was trying to hit that churn, caught too much speed and something happened. But yeah, there's his memorial. It's so sad, man. I'd love to send it, but dude, here it's like cops are always chilling here just because people always drift, like every single time. But look how perfect these spots are for drifting, man. Like, what you're supposed to do, man. Such open roads. Dude, it's the pops are so much more crispy now. It's freaking amazing. I love it. But if anyone is like watching my videos, wants to make good money, basically any apprenticeship, like whether that's HVAC, electrician, mechanic, like there's all different types of mechanics, not only on cars, right? There's so many apprenticeships out there. You have to just do your homework and just experiment, man. If you're my age, bro, you got the rest of your life to keep trying, keep growing. We're still freaking young, dude. There's still time to make money, you know? There's no rush. So just take your time, man. Find a good apprenticeship that doesn't require like a college degree. Because most people that, honestly, guys, most people that hire for like these apprenticeships, I notice the people that turn out the best are the ones that don't have any college degrees, just because their expectations are lower. time. Hope if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like right now. You know, if you guys want to see me buying more cars later in the future, make sure you subscribe, man. Because it's gonna happen. I'm telling you right now, boys, it's gonna freaking happen. I'm gonna make sure of it, dude. Oh my gosh, it's so crispy, man. Oh my gosh, that sound is crazy. That sound is freaking everything, man. I cannot believe I have V8 4 and a V8 muscle. That's actually just mind-blowing to me. It's actually crazy. Oh. You know what's so crazy to me is this car is so smooth. Like when you're going fast, you don't even realize it. The Hellcat, you know when you're going over 40, bro. It's Six Flags is right there too, boys. Look at that. See, this city is so beautiful, man. This is California. I'm in Los Angeles, guys. Los Angeles is not that far from here. Like that's what's so sick about this freaking place, man. Today's Sunday, boys. I hope you guys went to church, man. You know, like I said, boys, you always got to put God first, man. Because money will come, man. Money will come. Like I said, I would never in my life think I would own any of these cars. And look where I freaking am. I have this one and a Hellcat, and I make enough money to still live a good life. So, dude, honestly, man, like, yeah, there's pros and cons. Like, I'm taking a loss on these cars. Period. That's just how it's gonna go. But I'm only young once, and I'm happy I'm able to enjoy it. I know a couple of videos back we came here, but dude, just like the turbo noise is crazy over here. I'll turn off my pops and see how it sounds like. That's actually crazy, dude. The turbos, honestly, that's what sold me, man. But I do want to get a Mercedes one day as well. And honestly, I'm probably gonna get a crashed one. Holy crap. Alright, boys, little nighttime drive. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Boys, I can't wait until one day we freaking tune this thing. Honestly, even upgrade the freaking engine. I wanna make this thing be able to withstand so much power. Just gotta build the trans, build the block, and then we should be able to tune it pretty good. Oh my gosh. DSC off, bro, it sounds way better. See, when it shifts, it doesn't worry about actually having traction, you know what I'm saying? Because I've noticed that when I don't have DSC off, it like shifts like not as aggressive. the heck's the Tesla guy doing? Oh, that shift was not it. That shift was not it. Stupid loud. Stupid loud, bro. Shift's freaking. Oh, that was perfect. That was freaking perfect. That roar, dude. M3 sounds sick, but dude, it doesn't roar like that. I love how this one's so much deeper. And the shifts, bro. The shifts are freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. I hear the turbos like spooling up and like just that little spool is just so satisfying. It's obviously not as loud as the Hellcat, you know. I wish this one Loki had like not a Mark IV Supra spool, but I don't know. I legit just want to get a Mark IV Supra with a single turbo just to hear the turbo, honestly. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see